That I have my own money.
As they were talking, a priest just happened to walk by.
That's what did it for me, because he has a Bible in his hand. And he says he's a pastor for church and he can help.
What's new?
At the RABBLE RABBLE Show, and that's if you know, cause that's the way I make way talk for you.
Rabble, 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 rabble.
Rabble, 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 rabble. Straight rabblings. I don't know, so this are the rabbling on NASH-I rabble danger. I'm there to drop my thoughts. And these are my thoughts. Welcome to the RABBLE RABBLE Show. Jano rabblings. Wanna listen to this?
Dorothy Edge considers herself a faithful person with a good heart, but she is now consumed with fear and anger after losing her life savings, $28,000 in cash,
3 mil something Jamaican,
to a pair of scam artists she met on the street earlier this month in East Flatbush, Brooklyn.
I'm hungry at myself, most of all, at myself. Not even like at them, because I was the one who even handed over my money.
What do you think, rabblings?
Bear with us. The first scammer, a woman, approached, or should we say targeted Dorothy, with a story about an expiring visa and the need to immediately return to her native South Africa. She then told Dorothy she wanted to donate $100,000 from a large inheritance, but she could not take the money back with her to South Africa, so she wanted Dorothy to donate it to a charity on her behalf. But the woman wanted to be sure Dorothy had money of her own.
They said that I should show them that I won't use the money for any other reason, that I have my own money.
As they were talking, a priest just happened to walk by.
That's what did it for me, because he has a Bible in his hand. And he says he's a pastor for church and he can help.
You guessed it, the priest was in on the scam. He volunteered to join Dorothy and donate the South African woman's money on her behalf. The priest produced his own wad of cash, again, as proof of his good intentions, that he had no reason to steal the woman's inheritance. Now it was Dorothy's turn to prove she had her own money and no interest in ripping anyone off. But this is the part where the woman and the priest double-crossed Dorothy. She went up to her apartment and retrieved $28,000 in cash she kept rolled up in a sock, her life savings.
I came up here without a green card for 26 years. And there were a lot of years I could not put any money in the bank.
Then came the bait and switch. Dorothy never saw it coming.
How did they get the money out of your hands? Did you hand it to them?
Yes, definitely.
Why? Did they ask for it?
Yes.
Why?
So she want to bless it. They put it in a black handkerchief. And all of us, we all put your hand on it like that, and she said she's blessing it. Yes, I might have taken my eyes from it. I don't know when they switch it. Honestly, I don't know.
So when the blessing was over,
she
what
put
happened?
it in a pouch.
She put the handkerchief in a pouch?
In a pouch, yes.
And then they handed it back to you?
And then handed it back to me. I went into the lobby and I took it out of my bag and I realized that it was locked.
And where were they?
They are gone.
The two scammers made off with Dorothy's life savings and left this 65-year-old retired nanny with a bag filled with newspaper clippings and an uncertain future.
I'm willing to work to pay my bills so I could live. So who's going to give him a job?
No one saw no way rabblings, but enough time them use God and trick the mind. Check slavery and you will understand what me I said. I said that for said this. A Jamaican elderly lady at her age supposed to understand that there is all type of fraud out there in the world. No rabblings. You hear what she call a man with a Bible. Him not even dead when the conversation start. And she get tricked. And from the amount of savings, you can see that is a lady what don't really have it. It hurt me bad. Rabblings, you know hear them all tell herself to bless the money. Look up and what she gone with newspaper. The world set away. People be wise. Two things the world offer. Happiness and money. And people will con you and take both. So you better be wise. For example, she happy say something a go on. Go for her money and end up lose both. Right now, no money, no happiness. It's sad. Rabblings, if it was you in the situation, what you would do? Tell me. Rabble, straight rabblings. 26 years, no green card, lose all of your money. 65-year-old, hardly can work. It rough, rabbling, tell we, why you woulda do? You think she should have been try to invest the money or shall look quick money? Leave a comment, let me know. Remember, this is the Rabble Rabble Show, and we not chat people business alone. Top 3, laugh of the day. Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings. Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings. Remember the Rabble Rabble Show. Talk to we and make a chat for you.
Balagay dyan na ko ba't yakinipan niya. La ilaha illallah. Yakinidor na si Birbi. Balagi dyan pelokon na jorong budagar. Balagay dyan na yakini. Bala yakini dyan na balagay atas niya. Ni arbitiwak. Dara amul. Lolo la arbitiwak.
14 parish KESH. I look for a
No,
good
sir,
man.
me no believe that.
But you you think so me a good man?
You know, Rabble, me can't say if you're a good man or not, you know, cause it all depends.
Depends on what.
Me and you that have it in a dealings before me can say you's a good man, you know.
Yeah, bother with you, KESH.
No, sir.
I got research.
Yeah.
See if the Rabblings them can tell me what is a good woman.
For
I
real?
don't think you gotta tell me.
Wait, the Rabble, you know feel like say me want find out what is a good man.
Alright then.
Guess what? Me go link the Rabble them to hear what them have to
Let's go
say.
make the link. But before, you feel like no good man there Jamaica?
Of course, Rabble. Good man there Jamaica, you know, but them hard to find, you know.
For real, me I hide.
What about you? You feel like no good man still there Jamaica?
KESH, me no know what to say.
Attack, you
When
know.
I'm elder them tell me say, me have to go use buckle torch in a broad daylight to find one.
I hear you.
1 year from the Rabblings them, what is a good woman? We could go to the phone lines. Alright, KESH?
Yeah.
What you say? The Rabblings them are the Rabblets first. Who you want to touch out first?
No, say Rablets them want push out first.
Well, you say the Rabblets them first. Alright then. For hyping up, you know, say, I book a nice lady in the street. I might ask her, what is a good man? Listen what the lady has say.
A good man is caring, loving, and committed. But the commitment part is where the hard part comes in. They can't keep committed for too long.
And
Their
what I mean
commitment
by
doesn't last for too long.
they're not consistent.
They're not consistent.
So what you would have said is a girl clown?